Hi. Nice to meet you. Andres.
My name is Eugene Ralph.
Okay. This. For both key 350.
Okay, because I'm gonna need my keys, man. Somebody took out my keys in the post office.
Mm,
Went to the post office.
okay.
I left them on the table. Went to do some stuff. Didn't realize I left them.
Okay.
By the time as I get back to my truck, I got no keys. Go back in the post office. Can't find it.
Yes, okay. Let me working on, okay? For both.
Okay.
Una vez programamos. Probamos la llave. Y probamos acá. Cerramos y abrimos la puerta. Probamos que funcione la llave. Funciona. Probamos las nuevas que le programamos. Funciona igual. Prendemos el vehículo. Estamos listos.
Next.
You're welcome, man. Video for social media. Do you mind if you get the video for social medias?
That's fine. That's not
It's fine?
a problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, man. Have a good one.